So this is the look we're going for today, and this is directly inspired by art from Fake Housewives on Instagram, which I will type it out in the description so you can go look them up. Okay, so first we get started with the eyeliner, which I always start at the top and then I do the bottom and then I do the corners. The sharper the better. Make sure you can cut someone or else it's not good. You know what I'm saying? And then you do it on the next side. And then I'm using the Honey Colourpop palette. I'm using that yellow in the corner to go ahead and put on the upper lid. Then I'm going to take the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, take that blue, and I'm going to line the top of the yellow and then go out to match the shape of the eyeliner. And then I'm going to end up blurring out the blue a little bit. Or blurring? Wait, smudging. Smudging. You know what I mean. So then I go back to that exact same palette and I get the purple. And I just do the same thing, but staying on the inner side of the blue. And then I'll end up ombreing that out into the blue, smudging it as well. And then I'm going to take this Spicy Siracha palette by Peachy Queen. And I'm going to take the like orangish yellow. And I'm going to do the exact same shape again that I did with my eyeliner, but above the purple blue that I did. And again, smudge it out. And then I'm going to go back to that palette and get the red. And again, gonna do the bottom ombreing out into the orangish yellow. And then I didn't think it was dark enough, so I actually took some of my red lipstick because it's very dark and I like it. And I just again put it on the inside and ombreed out just to make it the red darker and pop more. And then I went back to that Alyssa Edwards palette with the white and just put some white underneath the eyes to make it pop. And then I went back to the Honey palette, took a brighter yellow, and did right underneath the inner corner of my eye. Underneath. Yeah, did some more white, just outlined it. And then back to the Alyssa Edwards palette for some black to just pretty much elongate that bottom liner. The same yellow that we used first to do the outer of the bottom liner. And then there's like a purplish pink that I used to outline it, and then the purple on the inside, and then I smudged it to get a nice ombre again. And then I took my Alien Queen palette from Peachy Queen, and I took a couple different pinks just so that I could get that really pink blush effect. And then I also put some on my nose, which I didn't think it was good enough, so I actually added a little bit of red as well just to really make it look good. And then I went to my Blushing in Bali palette, and I got some bronzer, added it to the pink, and then took my highlighter. And went ahead and just make everything shiny, and realized I forgot the little inside, so I did that. And then I start my unibrow, which I use liquid liner to make the hairs there, just because I don't have any hair, so I draw it on. And then I take some black eyeshadow from the Alyssa Edwards palette to actually fill in the eyeshadows. You know what I mean, eyebrows. Anyways, then I take liner and I go back, but over the lips. And I was just, it was like this really sharp point, so I figured it would be a lot easier to draw it out first and then do it. So then I'm going with red, and then I ombre it out with black. And then I like to always add jewels, which there was some jewels on their painting, so I was like, yes, perfect. And I used eyelash glue to get them to stick, and I put 3 on each side, added my lashes, and realized I actually wanted to add some red jewels on the top, so I did that. And yeah, this is the finished look. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember that if you liked it, to subscribe, like, hit the bell, whatever you do when you like people's channels. And I love you, and thank you for watching.